Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to promote affiliate links on Quora. Now this is going to be a step-by-step strategy and basically guide on promoting affiliate links on Quora. So first of all, you need to know that you can't directly post affiliate links in your posts on Quora or even on Reddit if you want to promote on Reddit as well. So instead, what you'll need to do is you'll need to include your affiliate links in a blog post or a landing page or a website. Then you will need to link to that blog post or landing page in your answers and ads. So basically, as you can see, what we need to first do is we need to first either create a question, right? Create a question and then answer that question with our with basically our, answer, or we need to go and search Quora. So for example, if we search Quora, how to start affiliate marketing, right? And as you can see, we have a question here. We can go to the question and as you can see, here's the answer. So the answers always need to be really in-depth, they need to be really like niche down. As you can see, this question is pretty detailed, or this answer, sorry, is pretty detailed. So whenever you have a question, the answer needs to be detailed. Then, as you can see, what you can do is you can pretty much link your blog. So for example, you can say, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can visit my blog right here, and you can link your blog, and then on your blog, you can basically, people can basically click on your affiliate links and stuff like that, right? So this is the first way how you can do it. You can answer other people's questions. The second thing you can do is you can add a question here. Once you add a question, for example, how to start affiliate marketing, you will then be able to answer that question. And when you're answering that question, make sure it's detailed like this. And then make sure at the end you have a call to action where it's basically going to your site, right? So that's what you need to do. That's the first two things. Obviously, if you add question, you can also create a post around question as well. So if you want to create a post, you can also paste your blog posts here along with your redirect links to your blog, and then there people can go and promote, or people can go and click your promoted affiliate links. So those are a couple of things and a couple of ways how you can promote affiliate links on Quora. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can always comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.